As you can probably tell, I'm in Liverpool today and we've had a bit of an influx of California T7s. We did a video quite a while ago on the old T6.1 and we showed you what these vehicles look like when they first arrive off the transporter. And we thought, hey, why don't we do the same thing with the new T7? So plenty of them have just arrived with us. We've got a few examples behind us here, as you can see. We've got them lined up on the front here so we can quickly go around them. There's plenty of them on site at the moment as well. Bit of fun to show you how they come in, and then we'll show you one when it's prepped and it's had all the bits done to it as well. So first off, we've got a California Ocean. This obviously is in the two-tone. Things like, for example, some of the outer stuff has got stickers that comes on the vehicle to protect things, especially high impact areas. You can have a look in here. So we've got obviously matting and to protect the carpet, to protect the sills, we can see that's on here. Covers over the seats. So if people are getting in and out, predominantly in the driver's side, because you can imagine the transport guys are jumping in and out of these. Covers over the headrest that's in here. All the covers over the actual screens to protect the screens that's there. We jump into the back. This one's got electric door on. Again, same kind of thing. They wouldn't really be expecting people to come in and out in the back really from until the vehicle's with us from the factory, but still, things like the floor. The floor's got a plastic covering on. You can just about see that, that's on there, there's a sticker that's there as well. We take all that up as well. It's worth noting that I have seen some vehicles that have been on the road for a year or more and have still got the stickers on, because sometimes we do leave the ones in the rear, in the boot that's under there as well, because obviously it just keeps the floor and you can take them off if you want to, that's there as well. So I've seen a few of those, and somebody the other week actually was asking me about it and said no, it's just a cover that comes up in actual fact, which reminded me of that. Obviously things like your fridge, etc. wouldn't be in there, but even the fridge has things to keep the moisture out if it needs to, obviously when it's on boats and things like that. So let's have a look in the back. As you can see, everything's packaged up, so all the things that we have in the vehicle, so things like first aid kit, high-vis vest, etc. There's some carpet mats that are in here as well, obviously the comfort protectors on there, and again things like in here we've got things like our curtains, for example, that go in the vehicle. It's there, our netting that's in there as well. And you see we've got covers on the headrests at the back. And this was the matting I was talking about that's on here in the back. This is just on the floor. As you can see, it just peels off. Seats in the back, for example. So most people, we don't tend to take these off, but the first time you'll notice they've got packaging still in them from when they've come and been dropped in from the original suppliers. They come with lots of stickers on, so we've got our barcode that's on here, which they can use from the factory. Different quality things that have been done, and our tags on the top which tell us from in there as well. These are all the things that we take off as soon as obviously the vehicle comes here and we get it ready for you to take it. And then next up, California Beach, just to give you a difference. Obviously same colour vehicle on the outside that's on there. Let's have a look inside on here. So again, seating on the front, we've got our protections on here. We've got our door protectors still on as well. These obviously is just to give that edge of protection that's in there. We've got our floor covering that's on here, our seat covering that's on here as well. All of our dash, again, is all covered up that's on there. All of our sill protectors that are here as well. This one's quite an interesting one because it's the California Beach, but it's the e-hybrid. So this is the 4Motion California Beach. And it's worth pointing out, because a few people have asked this as well, is if you get this vehicle, it does not come with a middle seat. So this is how the Beach comes. You just come with these two seats that's on here. So it is a 4-seater on the e-hybrid version of the Beach. As per the other one as well, we've got our bag of tricks that's in here as well. So this has got, as I said, the child protection net in there. We've got our blinds that's in there that go on the front, the air vents for the front of the windscreen that's there. That's all the California side of things. And then we've got another bag here. Now this bag has got more of the car side of it in it. So this is an e-hybrid one. So in here we've got 2 charging cables in actual fact for this one. So I'm guessing it might be specified as an additional extra that's in there. So these are the car side, as I said. You've got your first aid kit in there, your mats are in there as well. All those things we're going to put in the right places, etc. for the vehicle. So let's have a quick look at one that's actually been finished. So this one's had all the things taken off it, it's been cleaned. So this one's one that's all finished, for example. So open the door on here. This one's got, as you can see, this one's actually got a carpet mat in there as well. So this might be being prepped for a particular customer, or it might be a stock vehicle. We do sometimes have those in there as well, as you can see inside. Have a look in the front here. Now, as you can see from the front here, we've actually left the plastic on in the front for the moment. Just put the carpet mats over the top just to keep it looking its very, very best until the vehicle's actually sold and goes to customer. So that's the end of the video today. Hope you've enjoyed looking at the vehicles as they arrive to us here at the dealership. If you want to see more content like this, as always, please hit that subscribe button. If you want notifications, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you on the next video.